Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make this beautiful and very gorgeous paper quilling flower bouquet greeting card for Mother's Day, in which I'll share 5 to 6 ideas of making flowers, fillers, leaves, scrolls, etc. And this is very colorful. You can just change the color combination. I have also shown you how to make this braided border, which is made using paper quilling strips, and you can write the personal message inside the card. So without any further delay, let's start with procedure. So I'm starting with my first flower, and to create one petal here I am taking half strip of orange color in 2 mm and making one bended leaf shape. For all the flowers and leaves I am using today 2 mm strips, but you can also use 3 mm strips. Similarly, I have prepared one more petal. Now I am taking half strip of white color in 2 mm and making one leaf shape. My one strip length is 45 centimeters, so according to that you have to take yours. Now I am combining all 3 petals and wrapping it using orange color strip, and the petal is ready. So we need total 7 petals. Now I'm joining all the petals together and making the flower. Then to make the center of the flower, here I am taking one strip of white color and making one tight coil. Sticking it on top of the flower, and this is ready. With a similar method I have prepared one more. Then for the second flower, here I am taking half strip of light purple color and I am just making one pointed teardrop shape. Now I am joining total 7 petals and making the flower. For the center of the flower, here I am taking half strip of yellow color and making one tight coil. So we need total 4 these type of flowers. So cute. Then for the next flower, here I am taking half strip of light blue color, and first we need to create the arrow shape. Like this. Pinch in the bottom and wrapping this using medium blue color strip. So the petal is ready. Now I am joining total 5 petals together to make the flower. Then for the center of the flower, here I am taking half strip of medium blue color and making one tight coil and just sticking it on top of the flower. So we need 2 these type of flowers. Then for the next shape, here I am taking half strip of dark pink color and making one tight coil. Then just taking 1/4 strip of off-white color, folding it from center, add little glue and put your tight coil in the center. Adding little more glue and just creating the filler like this. Very easy. Then I'm adding one half cut pearl in the center of the tight coil, and this is done. So we need total 4 these type of fillers. Then for the next filler, here I am taking half strip of red color and creating one small teardrop shape. Now taking one small piece of off-white color strip, folding this from center and creating the stem. Then on both the side of this I am going to add total 7 petals to create the filler. And this is ready. We need total 4 these type of fillers. Then to create leaf, here I am taking half strip of light green color and making one bended leaf shape. Similarly, I have already prepared some more bended leaf shapes using dark green and light green color strips. Then to make scroll, I am taking 2 1/4 strip of light green color, 2 1/4 strip of dark green color, gather it all together, fold it from center and start rolling it from one corner and making the coil like this. Just cutting the excess strip from the bottom to make it in level. Add little glue and the scroll is ready. Very easy. So I have already prepared some scrolls to decorate my bouquet. Then taking the 24 by 15.5 white color cardstock, which is having 250 GSM thickness, and on top of this I am adding yellow color cardstock which measures 11.5 by 15 centimeters. Then on this I am going to add one more white color cardstock which I'll stick later, and this measures 11 by 14.5 centimeters. So first of all we have to decorate this with braided borders. To start with braided border, here I am taking one strip of blue color and one strip of purple color. These both strips are having 3 mm width. So first taking purple strip, folding it from center like this, and then we have to create a shape like this. Then taking light blue strip, dividing it in 2 parts and then sticking it on left and right side of this purple strip like this. So it should look like V shape, and then we just need to do the braided pattern just like we create the hair braid. First purple, then blue, then purple and blue till the end of the strip. So I'm just continuing this design, very pretty, and the braided strip is ready. Similarly I have prepared one more, Now I am going to stick this on top and in the bottom of white cardstock. Then taking back the base and sticking this white cardstock on the card base. So this is ready. Then taking all my flowers and I'll start arranging this to construct the bouquet shape. And this is done. Then adding the stem in the bottom. So here I am taking 1/4 strip of dark green color in 3 mm. Just add little glue on this and adding one more 1/4 strip with this. Cut it from center and the stem is ready. Similarly I have prepared some more. So just add little glue on the tip and add all these stems together. Then sticking this bunch in the bottom of the bouquet. If it is bigger and covering the border, you can just trim it out. Then to make bow, here I am taking golden yellow colored satin ribbon, just creating 2 knots like this. Then making 2 more knots and making nice fluffy bow. Then I am adding some more stems just to fill the empty spaces and then sticking the bow. To stick the bow, I am here using strong adhesive like Fevikwik or E6000. And then adding some 5mm pearls here and there randomly just to fill the extra spaces. And at the end I am adding sentiment Happy Mother's Day in one corner. And the super beautiful and gorgeous greeting card with the paper quilling bouquet is ready. You can write the special message inside the card for your mom, and I'm sure she is going to enjoy this beautiful creation. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and please click on bell icon for the latest updates and notifications. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.